Good. So what we're gonna do, Zach, is we're gonna put the other applicator on so you can get it at the same time. Is that on your ribs?
No.
Is that okay?
Perfect.
Okay, cool. And what this will do is work the obliques a little bit more. Is that good? A little bit.
What's the difference?
Yep.
Perfect.
Good?
Yep.
So now I'm going to start this other one. And we're going to get you to about 45% on both of them.
Okay.
There we go. How's that?
Good.
Good strength?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You can go up a little if you want.
Okay. They good?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's good.
All right, Kenny, can you tell us a little bit about Emsculpt? What's actually going on here?
So what Emsculpt is doing is using electromagnetic energy in a focused way to stimulate the muscles, and we call it a super maximal contraction. But one session of this is like doing 20,000 crunches. And so by having both applicators on here, on Zach like we have them, it's working the abdominis rectus as well as the obliques in a way. So it's a 30-minute session. We recommend 4 treatments over a 2-week period of time. And so that's the equivalent of 80,000 crunches in 2 weeks.
Wow.
And Emsculpt not only builds muscle, but also our studies show that it reduces fat. So we show a 19% increase in muscle at 3 months, and a 23% reduction in fat at 3 months. How's that feel, Zach?
It's good.
Yeah,
Do most
comfortable?
patients use 2 paddles, or what's the normal?
Most patients will use 1. People with a larger torso, you can actually put 2 on. All of our studies, though, like the numbers I just gave you, all of our studies were done with 1 applicator. So if someone's not big enough to put 2 applicators on, they're going to get just as good of a treatment.
And where all are you doing treatments right now?
Currently, right now, we're treating the abdominal area, the thighs, and the buttocks, so you can get a non-invasive butt lift with Emsculpt. And then we are FDA cleared for the biceps, triceps, and the inner thigh, and that applicator will be shipped out in July. So in July, when it comes out, we'll also be able to treat the calves. So we'll have 8 treatment areas that you can use with Emsculpt for the next 2 months.
It's good stuff.
You good on the strength?
Mm-hmm.